Welcome back to the Tomarosa. Figure we take a few minutes and catch you up on what's been going on. As you may be able to tell, we are making cheese. I'm stirring a vat of curds here. But other stuff's been happening too.
Yeah, it's been a busy September. All of our cheese and our milk and dairy sales have been going great. We keep selling out every week, which is really nice. We have really great customers and we're very thankful.
Today we are making Caffe Latte, which is a Welsh cheese. It's kind of a mild cheddar. There is a little bit of a cheddaring process that is involved with the curd. But we made it once before and it turned out really well. It had a really good flavor. We did it as a natural rind cheese and people liked it, but this time we're gonna try waxing it because in the future we intend to wax most all of our cheeses. And so we want to give that a try. We've sourced some local beeswax and we'll be using local beeswax to do our cheese waxing. And so it might be interesting to see what kind of flavors that imparts. I think it'll be a good thing, but we'll find out.
So we're gonna work on finishing making our cheese and then we'll take you on a quick tour around the farm and show you everything that's been going on. We figured we'd start with the loudest animal on the farm, which is Buttercup. She's like, I'm the union rep. I'm just gonna come in here and go ahead and tell you that it's fall time and we want food.
We don't want to graze.
Well, there's not a lot of grazing left for them anyway. So, I don't know if you can see out there. There's some cows still out there. They're slowly moving in. Here we are with some of the alfalfa we picked up. Stacy's putting it in a regulation size trash can. Buttercup is eagerly awaiting the food. There's Rose. Oh, there's Dodie. Dodie is the new one this next year.
She still kind of gets bullied at the feeder though. She's smaller.
Oh, yeah, you can see Buttercup just kind of bullied her right there. So, talking about this next year, we've already gone through our breeding cycle and pretty much all of them have been bred. I think 2 of them we've bred twice. And in a couple weeks, if we don't see any more heat signs, we'll go ahead and do a blood test and they should all be pregnant for next year. This is their game.
Throw it out, so I throw it back in. Where's the babies?
Where are the babies? We should probably find out where the babies are. So here we are up at the barn, and if you look over there, let's see, that's where our 3 little calves are at. What they're looking at is there is a little fawn right there that got their attention. Well, while we're waiting for the calves to come up, we had some rain showers today. So we have some beautiful scenery. All right, let's go get the babies. So here are our 3 calves. In the center is Dandelion. To the left is Sunflower and to the right is Arrowleaf. So they're about 3 to 4 months old. Doing very well. We are still separating them at nighttime and we are still milking once a day in the morning. Dandelion. He's a good girl. Yeah.
Kindergarten.
Follow your sister, please. There you go.
Kindergarten. Come on, babies. Kindergarten.
That wasn't too bad, huh? Seeing they have their own little manger here.
Spud is hungry. He gets his food out here. Are you hungry, Spud? He's like, yes. Please feed me, he says. He's like, I've been a good kitty all day.
He has a super duper special cat cave. Here are the horsies. Jody is always a hot mess. Yes. Because she likes to roll around in the dirt. So she definitely needs to get brushed out. We brush and we do their feet every day. Casey's like, I'm the star of this show. Alright, let's get in there and do this.
Let me do your feet.
Hi, Jody. Time to brush off. Are you ready? Here we go.
All right, Casey.
Goodness sakes, girlfriend. Look, I made Jody into a zebra. Here they are. We kind of separate their hay for them. Have it underneath the tree when it's kind of damp out. We don't have feeders for them. They've always fed off the ground, and that's what they prefer. We tried to do something before and they just kicked all the hay out onto the ground. So they are set for tonight. Now it's time to go play with chickens. And we still have our chickens and they're still doing really good. In fact, we had a little bit of a surprise today when we thought one of the chickens that we thought we had lost showed up with a couple of chicks. So that was a nice surprise, and we're happy to have that addition to our farm. Another thing we did, since the chickens like to lay eggs out here in the barn, we just moved their nest boxes that Stacy made out of buckets in here. And this is where they lay their eggs now. Works out for all of us. Stacy's such a softie. Getting extra food to Dodie because the mama cows keep pushing her out. And here are the babies in kindergarten, all bedded down. They're like, we know the drill. It's time to go to sleep. They do still have access outdoors to their own little paddock, separate from their mamas overnight. And we almost caught Carly's here, and she's still doing good. She's still a good farm dog. She likes to go for walks. Let's go. Another thing about going into fall is food preservation. So we did pretty well with our garden this year. We got potatoes and onions and lots of cucumbers. And then let's see what else. Oh, strawberries and herbs and tomatoes. And we had one zucchini plant, and we got lots of zucchini from that. So that was good. And I did my first canning this year. I did hot water bath canning and pressure canning. And I successfully did not blow up my kitchen. So I'm proud of myself for that. And we also did some dehydration. And so yeah, just building our skills there. And just so thankful that we have a healthy family and farm, and we're able to share that with our community. Well, that's a little tour of what's going on here as we're going into fall.
Starting to slow down a little bit.
Which is good. And then we'll get into winter and then we'll slow down even more.
We've already moved the milkings back in the morning a little bit. We were doing it at 6:30, now we're doing it at 7.
I know. I think once we get into winter we start doing them close to 8. But then again the sun goes down at 3 too, so we knock off early then. Oh, winter. But we hope that you've had a good summer and you're looking forward to your fall escapades. And we will continue to update you here from the Tom Rosa.
Thanks for watching.